What's going on, guys? Kimchi Cowboy here with another video. Today we're at the range. Isaac's setting up. Jeremy's going to join us later. I brought the 16-inch with the LPVO, so we're going to be using that, as well as the Beretta M9, m92xi. Rarely use this. Rarely use the 16 with LPVO, so that's why we're training with them. As always, starting off with the Kimchi Cowboy standards. It's still the month of February. It's February 2nd. If you want to join the giveaway, videos down below. Only a handful, like 5 people have entered, so the chances of you winning something is very high. And I don't really know what this video is going to be about. Probably just a bunch of shooting. So sit back, relax, grab a snack, grab a drink, take a poop, do whatever you got to do, and enjoy. I really hope that got on camera. $20.76 with a fall. What's 7 plus 6? 13. So you're actually -3 out of 10.
Flip.
I slipped. He has on video too. She got -3 as well.
One out, pistol in a 5 or a 4.53. Sorry. Freeze.
5 seconds. 5.01. .94.
Dropped one.
One out on the rifle.
Well, what was that? That's gonna close out the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, do the giveaway if you want to enter, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.